Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to set up an account on HankoTrade. And it's quite simple because right now we are here on the home screen and let's say we want to create a live account. What we're gonna do is we click here on create live account, click right here on the arrow, and then from here you have a lot of options that we need to do. Now let's say we want a standard account, then we click here on standard. You can also create a copy trading account if you want to, but we want a standard account, so we select standard, and then we click here on select currency USD, and the account leverage 50x. Then from now we click here on create account. And then we have right here a trading ID and a password. And they also send this to your email. So right now we set up an account right here. And if you want to trade with this account, we click now on trading terminals, click here on trading live, and then he will immediately send us to an older account. But what if you want to use the new account? We go here to our name, log out, and then right here we fill in our trading account number and our password that we received in our email. Select right here live, log in, and then it's ready to use. So this is how you can set up your account on HankoTrade. Hopefully this was the video I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.